Right now, most businesses are still replying manually on WhatsApp, typing the same answers again and again every single day. But what if all of that could be automated? Now, let me quickly show you how this actually works in real time. Imagine a patient or a family member sends a message on your WhatsApp rehabilitation center and instantly they receives a professional welcome message. No after 10 minutes, no after 1 hour, instantly. And the chatbot continues the conversation. It shares them the programs you are offering, book consultation, and also give them the contact information of your center without you touching your phone. And you know what is the best part? The creation of this chatbot does not require a single line of code. Now let's break this down and I'll show you how you can build this exact system for your own business. So to create this chatbot, I have used the tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. This tool allows you to design complete chatbot conversation visually like building a flowchart. No coding, no complexity. So for coming in this page, you have to click on a new tab and search Pabbly pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. 100 free credits means you can send 100 free messages. Now if you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely valuable with you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. Here, after doing the sign in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button. And you will come inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account because it is one of the most important steps. For adding your number, you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number with your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this flows feature. So this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating your flow, but at first you have to give the name to your flow, that's what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as from manual chatting to full automation WhatsApp chatbot setup. After this you will see two options. The one is active and active toggle. With the help of this toggle your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be saved and updated. Now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions, and they consist the buttons that we are going to use in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. You can select anyone from here based on your own choice. I am selecting my trigger event as keyword. Keywords are those manually entered words that my user will send to me. As we are creating this flow with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as hi. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it in the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here as hello. See, these are the most expected keyword the user will send to me. Now what is trigger? To trigger is where the everything starts. The trigger nodes activates when a user sends any of these message to my WhatsApp bot. And whenever the user will send any of the keyword, then bot sends the first message to the user by welcoming them. So for that I am adding one text button from here and entering a message in this field as hello, you are not alone, welcome to Hope Bridge Recovery Center, how can we help you today? Along with this message I want to add three quick buttons by the name of view programs, book consultation and talk to counselor. So for that I am clicking on this plus add button and giving the button name as View Programs. After that, selecting the button type as Quick Reply and clicking on the Save button. Next quick button as Book Consultation and Talk to Counselor. Here I have added. After that, I'm linking the trigger point of this flow to this node. See, it is connected. Now, whenever the user will click on this View Program button, then the bot shares them the information about the upcoming program. So for that, I'm clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as Text button. After that, I'm entering the program related information in this enter message box. With this message, I want to add one quick button by the name of Book Consultation. Here I have added. Now when my users wants to book a consultation, then they will click on this button. Then bot sends them this type of message that you have taken a strong first. We are here to guide you without judgment. That you have taken a strong first step. Is this for you or someone else? With one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me two options as for me or for loved ones. So for setting up this type of message, I am adding one list button from here. See, this list button is divided in three parts. Name is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank, and I like to be entering a message in this enter body box as you have taken a strong first step. We are here to guide you without judgment. Is this for you or someone else? Moving forward, I am clicking on this edge section button and entering a section title as choice. Here I have given the section title as my choice. You can give it completely based on your own self. After that, I am clicking on this plus add items button 2 times. Now I am adding two options for my users as for me and for loved ones. Here I have added. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. After that, I am linking this circle which I present in front of book consultation to this message and this book consultation circle too, because the process of booking consultation is the same. Now when the user will select their choice that they want to book a consultation for themselves or their loved ones, after that the bot will ask them to share their full name. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button as ask a question. After that, I am entering a question as will connect you with a caring counselor. What's your name? So for that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format is text because the name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times your user will retry to give reply of this question. Whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to make sure that to enter the validation message. For example, if you increase the number of attempts as 1, then you have to enter a message as please share your name in the correct format. Now what is format? So format is the one that you have selected from this list. Here I have selected the format as text, but the user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then bot becomes stop. You have to select the correct format from here. I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking all these two circles to this question node. Now when the user will share their full name, then bot will ask them to send the preferred appointment booking date and their contact number. So for that, I am doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more question nodes in this flow. See, here I have added where in this question box I ask my user to share the consultation date. For that, I have clicked the contact custom field as date and the format as date. Lastly, in this question box, I write that please share your phone number so we can assist you further. For that, I have clicked the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. If you like this video till now, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after all this communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the user that dynamically includes their provided name, contact number and the consultation date. So for that, I am clicking on this messages option and adding button as text button. After that, I am entering a respond message in this enter message box as request received name with dollar symbol, full name, contact number and date. And you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before full name, contact number and date because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to the users dynamically, completely based on their input. Here, whenever the user will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field, not full name, the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response and mention their name in this place. So this is how contact custom field works. After that, I am linking this circle to this. If you want to create a contact custom field, then you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Now the next button is talk to counselor. If the user wants to directly communicate with the counselor, then they will click on this button. Then my bot will reply to them by sending them the contact information about my rehabilitation center. So for that, I'm clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. After that, I'm entering the contact information in this enter message box. Here I have entered and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. Now I'm going to test this flow to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account. Let's say I'm sending a message as hi. As soon as I send message, immediately you will see I have received the message from the bot that hello, you are not alone, welcome to Hope Bridge Recovery Center, how can we help you today, with 3 quick buttons exactly same that we have set it here. Let's say I want to view the program, so I'm selecting this option. Then you will see it shares me the details about the program with one button by the name of book consultation. So I am clicking on this book consultation button. Then it will respond to me like this with one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me 2 options, same as for me and for loved ones. Let's say I want to book a consultation for my loved one, so I am selecting this option. See, this message is designed by this list button that we have set it. After that, it will ask me for my full name, so I am sending it as a test user. As you can see that the bot is asking me all the questions that I have entered in each of these questions not. See, next it will ask me for the date for booking the consultation, so I am sending the date as 21/04/2026. After that, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sending one test contact number to add. Then you will see I received one customized request received message from the bot that includes my name as a test user, contact number and the consultation date, exactly same that I have shared. So this is how the bot will work in real time. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.